Alright, what's up guys? So, back with another vlog here. Like I said, had to change my tires. That's the good old tires, hubcaps, all of that. You ain't gotta see too much now. But, got that beast, Black Panther, right there. Got the Cruisy Cruise, Supercharged Cruise. It's definitely not supercharged, but I got it from my friend. I ain't gonna lie. D-Will 716. Set that one day and it was kind of funny, so. You never know, it could be supercharged. Oh, y'all want to see the other beast? Because she's up at the gate. Say hello. Say hello, Kima. That's Kima over there. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and move this Cruise. Look at the tread on them tires. Woo. Boy did that. Slap them tires on. Say, I got to get that out of here. Got to get the moving. Kima, get off the gate. Get off that gate. That's right. You better get off that gate. All right. So, oh, y'all seen that? Man, I hit my head. I got no visibility, none. But I'm gonna move the Cruise somehow, some way. I'm gonna move this sucker. So, go ahead, slap that key. Oh, don't laugh at me. I'm in my cozy, whatever the heck this is called. Snuggly Duggly. Yeah. Hit the snowbank. Cut that wheel that way. Ain't no cars coming. For those who don't know, I am truly a professional driver. Here's the scary part. Can't see. Oh, I hit the blinker. That's not it. That's what I wanted to do, baby. Oh, we can see now. Beast is over there. Dogs is going crazy. They see me, so they want to go crazy. All right, y'all. So the reason why I'm putting this bad boy in front of there is because it's time to wake the beast and move the beast. Woo! That goddamn Black Panther gotta get moving today. If I could even get it out the spot. Black Panther, I feel so bad for you. Man. What's on the radio? Oh, we got people talking. Steve Harvey on the show, whatever it's called. That's on. We ain't trying to listen to that. Alright, cut the Cruise off. Supercharged Cruise. Get back out here. Let that light hit this light skin to me. Oh man, it's out. I heard the screeching just now. I don't know if it. Uh-oh, yeah, that joint is definitely out. Where are you at? Ah man, I can't see it. It's somewhere out here though. It's a hawk out here flying. I heard it screeching. Speak, Kima. Not you, Rocky. Alright, got the big school bus coming down, but hey, I'm about to get y'all a cold start of this bad boy. Let's go back here. Oh, gotta run through the day. Hello, Kima. Kima. Oh, get off of there, Kima. Move, big girl. That's it. Oh, your breath. Little boy, relax. Relax, little boy. I know y'all want to go in. Y'all can't know right now. I gotta do something. Cold start. Black Panther, awaken now. Just it happened. Get off of there. Alright, so gonna move that. Did that. Now the reason why I'm moving it is because I got a shovel. Make some room for these freaking garbage cans and stuff, because tonight is definitely, well, not tonight, but in the morning, Friday morning, it'll be garbage day. So gotta make some room. I'll get right back to y'all though. Peace for right now. Cover up. Cover up.
Man, goddamn grind now. Too much. Too much.
Too much going on. And yes, we got it in the freaking McDonald's cup. Like, I don't get why we got this, but hey, oh well, I don't care. We dumped this dang salt over here. Damn salt. Too much damn salt with it. Too much damn salt. Ain't too much salt today though. I'm trying to kill myself. Let's see, kill myself. I could definitely chop that up. I'm being lazy right now. That was pretty stupid, but hey, get this salt all over here so nobody kill themselves. That goes for the mailman and everything, because you ain't getting no money over here. I ain't getting sued. Nope. Oh yeah, I hear that thing humming. I really can't see out of that. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just want to move it up a little bit though. I gotta get these garbage cans out. I don't know, maybe it could. Oh yeah, nah. It's not gonna get through here. I ain't getting my bad boy messed up. Alright, beast. Out the cabin of the beast. Man, oh man, that's that mat. Yeah, when the summertime come back, I am definitely cleaning the heck out of this mat, man. It's crazy. Anything else clean in the car though? I mean, I gotta get vacuum, but the car is very clean. Other than that, I can't believe this dang mat. Alright, so I'm driving blind. Literally. Ooh, and we moving though. Alright, well, let's see what's in the back of us. So that's what's going on back there. That should be enough room to at least put these garbage cans out. Got the cruise over there, and that's my favorite song, so I was bumping that before I had cut the camera off that first time. That's really my favorite song. Like, I love that song, man. Love this song. Alright, man, what the heck? So I tried to get out of the snowbank right here. But as y'all can see, the Hemi definitely plowed through it. Alright, garbage cans definitely secured. I can grab those out. Grab those. Get the move. Alright guys, so my mom decided to help me out and get a couple of rolling shots of this bad boy going down the street. So we're gonna go ahead and take the beast out, and then that way after I can clean out the mess behind over there. That bad boy is dark. Cannot see in there at all. Alright, hand over the camera to my mom. She's gonna start filming. that path cleared out. Got that cruise thing right there. Cruise. Got the Black Panther over there. Mom's over there chopping up the freaking porch, even though she was supposed to let it wait, just like she told me to let it wait, and let the ice or the salt melt the ice. But I'm about to go ahead and move the Hemi back, move the Black Panther back. The Dodge Ram just went by. Get this start up for y'all. Quick start up. Move all the snow. Get off the beast. Off the Hemi. Alright. I am in. Whoa. Got some snow in here. Let me not dust myself off real quick. That's knocked myself off. Mom's shaking her head like, boy, what's wrong with you? So yeah, visibility, can't see, but press that button, that run button, do that, camera, boom, there you go. I can see now. All right, guys, so I'm about to move the car back to the yard, and that's that. Hey, gotta put it up at 20,000. Sad. Guys, so I act dumb one last time. I wanna rev it.